With more and more electric vehicles being introduced to the market and close to 10,000 public EV charging stations currently in use, electric vehicles are proving to be more than just a trend. Leviton is proud to be on the forefront of this growth by introducing the industry-only 40-amp electric vehicle charge connector assembly for integration into electric vehicle supply equipment. The charge connector assembly features an ergonomic, user-friendly designed handle and 25 feet of cable, which meets and exceeds all necessary UL standards. The assembly is SAE J1772 compliant to ensure compatibility with all EV supply equipment and electric vehicles. For more information about the Leviton EV Charge Connector Assembly, please visit leviton.com/evergreen.